It's a 2018 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system, front and rear park assist, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, and automatic transmission. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.